Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80070541 on Windows 10, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolution. First of all, you can run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So click on the Start button, select Settings, scroll down to Update Security, go to the Troubleshoot tab, click on Additional Troubleshooters. You'll find the Windows Update Troubleshooter here and you can select Run the Troubleshooter to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. After this, you can go to catalog.update.microsoft.com, which is basically the website from which you can download the Windows updates manually. Now we know that Windows updates are in the form of KBs, and let's say that the latest one is KB 5003254. I'll enter it here and I'll click on search. I'll find the latest Windows update file, which is a cumulative update file. I will download it to my system and run it. That's it. This will install the latest update manually. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.